Now it's time to analyze your top 7 competitors and identify their weaknesses. Here, you'll see the top 7 videos ranking for your target keyword. Copy the URL of the first competitor's video and paste it here. Now click Check this video. The tool will analyze the video's SEO performance and show you its overall optimization score. As you can see, this video has an SEO score of 35%. It has several optimization issues that haven't been fixed, which means you have a good opportunity to outperform it. Now, let's analyze the second competitor. Copy the second video's URL, paste it here, and click Check this video. This video's SEO score is only 10%, so it should be much easier to beat with a well-optimized video. Next, let's check the third competitor. Paste the video URL and analyze it. This video has an SEO score of 40%. Although it is better optimized than the previous one, there are still areas where you can improve and create a stronger, more SEO-friendly video. You can repeat the same process for the remaining competitors. By analyzing each video's SEO score and identifying its weaknesses, you'll understand exactly where your competitors are lacking and what improvements you need to make to rank higher than them.